can you believe it? It's actually sunny. And we're in the van and we're about to set off. And we are only an hour late.
It's a rough time.
Rough being the operative word. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. And we're hitting the road.
It's time for our third VanLove Fest. And we are super excited.
Can't wait. So come on, let's go.
First things first, we've just stopped off at our local Aldi. And we're going to get some supplies for the weekend.
Barbecue season, isn't it?
Woo!
Here.
Makes a change.
Also, I didn't mention before, it is about a 6 hour or so drive. So we do need to get cracking.
We've just popped into York at Morrison's. Ricky's just getting some diesel. And I'm popping in because I forgot to get batteries for my outfit for Saturday night. Yes, I said my outfit needs batteries, and you'll find out why a bit later on. I'm going to scrape the roof on these trees. You're not going to be happy, are you? Is it going to be fine?
It's going to have to be. Alright. Hello, mate.
Yeah, how you doing? You alright?
Hello.
Hiya! Cheers! We were invited to spend the night before the festival started with a group of friends. Here's the one photo that Claire managed to take of us that night. Good morning from York. So we stayed at this lovely pub campsite just on the outskirts of York last night with a few other friends, some new, some old. Didn't do any filming last night because we were just too busy catching up and chatting. And hey, there we go, in the background, a few vans. It's 5 minutes past the time we're supposed to be leaving and there's still no sign of movement from the Wandering Wilds. What can you do? So we hope to get to Elvington Airfield at some point today. Come on, Deb! Everyone was finally ready and we headed off to Elvington Airfield in a convoy of 5 vans, which proved rather more difficult than expected, but thanks to Brian for leading the way.
It was soon time for Ibiza Vanthems with Ellie Sax. Halfway through her set, the power went out, but she just carried on playing. The VanLove team sorted out the problem and we were back in Ibiza in no time.
Wow. What a pro. People of the Runway, you look amazing right now. People make some noise for Ellie Sax.
As darkness fell, it was time for Nairn to take to the decks. He's a very famous actor from Game of Thrones, apparently, who plays Hodor, but I've never seen Game of Thrones, so I wouldn't know. It was at this point in the evening, when everyone had had a few drinks, that somebody either knocked over or threw over a drink on the person behind me, and I took the brunt of it from behind, so I decided to move.
VanLove 2024. Thank you so much.
Sadly, 11 o'clock was curfew, so it was time to head to bed.
I was thinking of a little battery upgrade.
Absolutely not.
Something like this in mind.
Absolutely not. On both Friday and Saturday nights, we joined the Pied Piper drumming convoy with Neil. Go on, Corinne! Now, you might wonder why people are dressed up slightly oddly, and that's because Saturday was Movie Heroes Night. And can you guess the movie that I'm from? Du-du, du-du. You get it.
All we want to do is do it. All we want to do is do it. Loving it.
Now, I can't help but think that we must have influenced this booking. If you go back to our video in 2022, you'll see why. Right, Mrs. Patterson. Yes, Mrs. Patterson.
Jam sandwich, Mrs. Patterson.
Much as Ricky thought I was absolutely bonkers for getting an inflatable shark outfit, people seemed to love it. I was waving at kids, waving at adults, people wanted their photograph taken with the shark, and I was even complimented on my moves. What do you reckon? There is something pretty unique about parking on a runway. Well, we've made it till the end of the weekend. This is the epic convoy moment. As you can see, we've been parked right near the piano keys on the runway, and I think we're leaving that way. The vans are starting to line up now, so I better get in. But it's been an epic weekend. Didn't film terribly much because we were having too much fun, frankly. But can't wait to come back, VanLove Fest 2025, and hopefully Oktoberfest this year for us as well. The tension built as everyone prepared for the survivors' convoy. There was still plenty of time for a bit of cheese though. That's the end of VanLove Fest 2024. We've had a fantastic weekend with old friends, and we've met some new lovely people as well. How would you sum it up?
This is probably will always be one of our favourite ones.
Yeah.
It's different, it's on the runway, the music is key and it's bang on point for what we like anyway. So yes, the end of another cracking weekend.
Yeah, thank you so much to Guy and Joe and all the organisers here this weekend. It's been an absolutely brilliant one, so thank you very much. We look forward to the next one.
Yep, let us know when we get tickets to the next one,
Yeah.
please.
Yes, Mrs. Patterson.
Jam sandwich, Mrs. Patterson.